January the 21st, 2010, something happened that could change our perception of the modern world.
It's got a huge water-powered clock, instruments for measuring the stars, and a darkroom from the 9th century. And on top of all that, it can explain why numbers are written the way they are. A new exhibition traces how the Muslim civilization has influenced science for the last 1,000 years.
An idea, an exhibition, a film, a book. Imagine a world of science 1,000 years ago that shaped the world today.
We have about 1,000 years of amnesia, which is called the Dark Ages.
In the West, we went through the Dark Ages, and if you like, the candle of human knowledge and understanding was carried by the Islamic world.
That's the story we want to give. It's like a shock. Ah, inventions? Do these people have inventions, they say? And of course they do.
1001 Inventions is a global educational initiative.
The Abdul Latif Jameel Foundation is very focused on bringing about social awareness around the world. And this exhibition here is displaying a period of time that no one really knows about. And yet this period of time brought about a fantastic development of technology which has continued through to modern time and can be seen now.
I think this is quite crucial because what it does illustrate is the shared heritage that we all have. We talk about a global society today, but equally in the 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th centuries, the society was global then as well.
This is a world that was lost to so many people, and an exhibition like this brings it back to life and shares all those extraordinary achievements.
It's a wonderful teaching resource we've now got here.
We've learned how to translate words from English to Arabic in a matter of seconds.
If they never thought of any of this back then, we wouldn't have been having like cameras and cinemas nowadays.
See how ancient discoveries connect with our modern world. Ben Kingsley will take you on an enlightening journey.
Excuse me, where are we going?
From darkness into light, my young friend. From ocean onto land, there are things you should know. Oh, yes, indeed. Take a look. If you dare.
What's going on?
Welcome to the Dark Ages, or as it should be known, the Golden Ages.
This new space is using the historical roots of science as a means and as a tool for social cohesion and cultural convergence, where people respect and harmonize with each other.
What we can show in here in a very beautiful way is the multi-faith, the people who have all worked together.
During this period, it may have been part of the Islamic Empire, but there were great Jewish, Christian scholars working here.
Sabaean, Hindus, Buddhists.
There were Persians, there were Arabs, there were Turks, there were Chinese, there were Indian. It's just a period in history that people in the West don't seem to know about.
There are women who did things like set up universities, who invented scientific experiments, and they're really celebrated in this exhibition.
It's beautiful, it's engaging, it's fun, and it's fascinating.
It's done with wonderful imagination and flair, as well as good scholarship.
You will learn, but you will be excited.
It's completely magical.
Really informative.
I'm just completely enchanted by it.
I can see how careful they've been not to exaggerate, not to claim credit where they can't be sure.
It's not just nice pictures and electronics. Every word and letter has been thoroughly vetted by academic peers. We have a galaxy of historians of science from around the world. They have to vet all this.
This is historical fact, guys. You know, it's the world may not know about it, but they should do.
What we're doing here today is to focus on London and then to take the exhibition around the world, in the United States and also in the Middle East.
Into Europe, into the Far East as well. And of course, we want to have it in different languages. It's a new space. It's a breath of fresh air. We are having a journey to the past, but it's for building and designing a better future.